8 weight loss desserts that actually satisfy. Got a sweet tooth? These healthy indulgences will satisfy it. Dessert and healthy eating? Seems like an oxymoron, right? Dessert is always associated with unhealthy eating habits, but in actuality, that notion isn't always true. In fact, there are numerous different types of desserts to enjoy out there that can satisfy your sweet tooth while still making good on your health goals. It's all about looking for weight loss desserts that will satisfy you and make you feel full so you don't overdo it on your sweet treat. So if you're looking for something sweet to enjoy while trying to eat healthier and lose a few pounds, this list is something to keep in your back pocket. Here are a few weight loss desserts dietitians recommend making at home. Energy bites. I like to make energy bites when craving a sweet treat, says Masato. I'll pack these decadent tasting indulgences with various satiating add-ins like heart-healthy cocoa, magnesium-rich peanut butter, whole grain oats, fiber-filled nuts, and highly nutritious chopped dried apricots or dates. You really can't go wrong with any of these delightfully pleasing foods. High-fiber cookies or ice cream. High-fiber desserts are a great way to satisfy your sweet craving whilst also curbing your appetite, says Cara Landau Rode and founder at Uplift Food. Fiber helps stimulate fullness hormones that speak to your brain to let you know you have eaten, which mentally helps you register that you don't need to keep eating. High-fiber desserts can include an array of options, such as any higher-fiber ice creams, yogurt with berries, high-fiber cookies, or even high-fiber puffs. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is rich in fiber and healthy fats, two nutrients which help fill us up and keep hunger at bay, says Mackenzie Burgess, RDN, registered dietitian nutritionist and recipe developer at Cheerful Choices. The higher the cocoa percentage the better, because this means it will have less added sugar and more fiber content. Try pairing a few squares of your favorite dark chocolate bar with a handful of almonds or frozen yogurt for extra protein. Protein mug cake. For this protein mug cake recipe, you'll mix together a few simple ingredients like peanut butter, chocolate chips, and mashed banana in a mug and microwave to reveal a cake-like sweet treat, says Burgess. I like to add a scoop of protein powder into the mix to create a fluffy texture and boost the satiety effect. My favorite to use is designer protein powders because they have options for different dietary preferences and come in tons of delicious flavors like French vanilla, vanilla coconut, and double chocolate. Fruit with whipped cream or yogurt. Some desserts that can actually satisfy you are frozen fruit, such as grapes, with a low-calorie whipped cream and some nuts, a small serving of dark chocolate with some almonds, or fresh fruit with Greek yogurt with a bit of honey can all be satiating, says Richie Lee Hotz, MS, RDN at A Taste of Health and expert at testing.com. These options all combine carbohydrates, protein, and a little bit of fat to allow for satiation as well as good flavor. Not sure which fruit to go for? Talia Siegel-Feidler, MS, HHC, AADP, and holistic nutritionist from the Lodge at Woodlock, recommends reaching for berries if you're having a hard time deciding. Berries are also a great ingredient for desserts, says Siegel-Feidler. They are vibrant, beautiful, and brimming with flavor. Berries are antioxidants and anti-inflammatory, and they are known to help improve blood sugar and insulin response. Of course, it helps that they are filled with fiber, which helps you to feel satisfied and feel full longer. Avocado ice cream. Avocados are always a good idea. They help create a rich and creamy dessert that helps to satisfy while also being rich in nutrients like vitamins K and C, folate, potassium and magnesium, among others, says Siegel-Feidler. Surprisingly, avocados make for a great weight loss desserts. You can turn it into a mousse or ice cream, or even use it in a pie like this raw lemon lime pie recommended by Siegel-Feidler from the Lodge at Woodlock. Baked apple with nuts. I'm a fan of enjoying foods from at least 2 food groups for a more satisfying snack, says Lisa Young, PhD, RDN is the author of Finally Full, Finally Slim, an adjunct professor of nutrition at NYU. Create the perfect pair, as they say. A baked apple topped with walnuts. The apple contains fiber and the fat from nuts contain healthy fats. Strawberries drizzled with peanut butter and dark chocolate, again fat and fiber. And delicious. And some chocolate for sweetness. Sometimes all you need is a little heat from the oven to turn a banal fruit into a creamy and decadent dessert. After it's baked, an apple loses its tartness and becomes soft and soufflé-like. Granny Smith and Red Prince apples are good varieties for baking. Remove the core after baking and stuff with some cinnamon, raisins, or vanilla ice cream to make it even more indulgent. Chia pudding. This is the perfect alternative to packaged and artificially flavored puddings. After chia seeds are soaked overnight, they develop a jelly-like texture reminiscent of traditional puddings. This overnight chocolate chia seed pudding recipe uses unsweetened cocoa powder, maple syrup, and a hint of cinnamon and vanilla extract. The whole dessert clocks in at around 150 calories per serving. Please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more health tips. Thank you.